Hi everyone, so for this activity we're going to be doing the water cycle to practice our vocabulary terms. So you're going to go into the 4th grade science and it'll be in the earth science folder. You're going to go to activities and then scroll down to the water cycle sort and you click on it and then we're going to add a response and click on your name. And this is going to be the 4 vocabulary words that we are going over this week. So you're going to click and drag. So for example, collection is going to be, you can either put it down here in the water or you can put it on this arrow showing that this is the collection process. You can also turn the vocabulary term to look as you would like it. And then once you have placed all of the vocabulary words in the correct spot, you're going to click this green check mark up in the top right-hand corner to submit. And that's all. Thanks.